Here I have ESSENTIELB HeYou 60, and today I'm going to show you how to change SIM card PIN code on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the security section, then to the SIM card lock, and here you can change SIM PIN. You can just disable PIN code here also, but today we're gonna change it. So firstly you have to enter your old PIN, and then you can create a new one. And then you have to confirm it. And that's how you can change it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.